Hi, how are you guys? Hope you are in good health. Guys, for this informations, I would like to thank for all those acquired or purchasing my ebook and my E&I references, and that is for your journey. So congratulations that you acquire and you purchase that kinds of opportunity that it's good for your journey. And for those who cannot provide or difficult to purchase or difficult, how we can say this one, because you are in the remote areas, you are in the offshores, you are in the remote areas far away for the remittances. So don't worry, you have another chance to do the same like what I did in the other persons. For example, they are in Saudi Arabia, they are in Qatar, which is remote area, especially those our colleagues, friends who subscribe my channel, which from India, from Pakistan, and they cannot acquire because of the payment issues. So for those living in Philippines and even in abroad, they can pay to my GCash, and also you can pay directly to my account. Perhaps for those who are not available, they cannot proceed for payment, you can do it by using my Popo. So I have my Popo. If you familiar this, I'm sure everyone knows about Popo. Popo is applications that you can play, you can game, you can receive the award. You can use that number. I will share this number, and then you can send me an email as well. What is my Popo address? And then you can pay there through coins. So what is the value of that? 1,500 pesos or 100 dirhams. You can pay through Popo, through coins. So it's easy for you to access, it's easy for you to acquire my ebook. So it's very simple things to do. You can download, for example, you don't have friends or colleagues using Popo, you can download Popo. You can ask me, I will share that to you, the link, and you can download and you can purchase the amount which is equivalent to my the value of that ebook. So let's say 100 dirhams or 100 reals or 100 Saudi reals or Qatari reals you purchase, and then equivalent to coins, and that coins you will be transferring to my Popo ID account. So after that I receive that. Okay, that's the time you will share the link, everything, and send it to my email address, and that's the time I will share the all informations, the PDF file, in order that you can receive those ebook files which related EIT, electrical instrumentation and telecom. So that's all, guys. Check it out and check. If you have any queries, send me an email, or it's very simple, you can click through my WhatsApp as well, or you can send my email address. Alright, have a nice day and enjoy your day. Bye bye.